Do you want to preserve memorable videos taken on travel, business, wedding, or other meaningful days? The best way to do it would be to create a DVD copy of the videos. This video will reveal the exact step-by-step process of how to make a DVD on Mac. The software needs to be installed is Cisdem DVD Burner for Mac, which provides all your DVD burning and editing needs. Let's get started. First of all, download the Cisdem DVD Burner from the link we offer below. When the installation completes, open it, and you will see its main interface. Add videos into the DVD creator by dragging them to the gray column on the right side. To edit them, double-click the thumbnail of each video to open the editing window, and you will be able to crop the video, add some effects to it. Brand the file with your name by putting some watermarks, rotate the video, and import subtitles. Move to the Menu tab, and make some customizations. Choose the most suitable template design, from the list on the right column. If they can't meet your demands, you can change the background picture. For further adjustments, you can change the DVD title, and add background music. Now preview your DVD. Click the number on the remote control to switch the video. When everything is ready, go to Make a DVD on Mac. Complete the DVD settings, including DVD language, aspect ratio and more. If you don't know whether to choose PAL or NTSC, click the question mark icon, and select your country. I don't have a blank DVD here. For a better presentation, I will make a DVD folder on Mac. It's the same. That's all for how to make a DVD on Mac. If this video provided value to you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.